Coinbase. I think we all know what it is. It's the biggest player in the crypto space, the exchange everyone has used at one point in their life and probably still do because of how simple and easy it is to use. Coinbase is slowly becoming a household name. Like the other day, I heard my little cousins talking about buying crypto on Coinbase. Like, bruh. And not to mention, it recently got listed on the stock market as well, and it was labeled the biggest IPO in history. So Coinbase has a lot going for itself. They are always adding new coins, staying up to date with relevant crypto trends, and pretty much on every single ad you see online. But the thing that makes Coinbase unique is the tons of ways they allow you and I to make money on their platform. And that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Forrest, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over every single possible way that you can make money through Coinbase. The easy ones, the hard ones, and some that you probably didn't even know existed. So make sure you guys watch the whole video through so you don't miss out on any secret way. But before we get into the video, if you guys want to earn crypto just for signing up, which I don't know who wouldn't, Coinbase gave me a special link where all you have to do is sign up and you'll get crypto. Now Coinbase is the easiest place to buy and sell cryptocurrency, so if you guys do want to sign up with them, I'll leave a link to it down in the description box below. And also while you're there, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe if you guys haven't already. I make videos all about money, finance, crypto, all that good stuff, so make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. One more thing I wanted to address before getting into the video is something I get asked all the time, and is it sketchy to confirm your identity and upload a picture of my ID to Coinbase? Because I don't have to do that with other platforms. And yes, you're right, other platforms don't require you to do this, which is also called a KYC check, and the reason is because other platforms aren't FDIC insured. And basically what that means is if Coinbase were to get hacked, which is super unlikely since they use a cold storage, which is storing your crypto off the web, but let's just say they get hacked, you would be insured up to $250,000 just like you are at a bank. Because Coinbase has to adhere to all these US regulations as they are a publicly traded company on the market now. So since Coinbase has to follow all these strict guidelines, they need the identities of all their users, just like say TD Ameritrade or Robinhood would if you open an account with them. So don't feel sketched out, as this is perfectly normal for them to ask for. Alright, the first way you can make money with Coinbase, well, not necessarily make money, but you can save money, which technically is like making money because you're not really spending it. Okay, that just got really confusing. Alright, a way to save money with crypto is by using something called Coinbase Pro. And you may be asking yourself, there's a pro version? Yes, there is. And the best part is it comes at no extra cost, it has its own app, and it's a lot cheaper for trading. See, Coinbase Pro is more for your sophisticated day traders, hence the name Pro. It's marketed towards traders, but honestly anyone can use it because it's not that difficult. Now Coinbase Pro includes a lot of the bells and whistles that you don't see looking at a chart on regular Coinbase. It shows you a very similar view to what you would see on Thinkorswim or TD Ameritrade's platform if you're familiar with them. You have the order book, so what all the asks and bid are on a coin like Ethereum. You have a chart where you can throw your technical indicators on, so for you technical guys, you can add in your MACDs, RSIs, or maybe even moving averages. The other great perk to Coinbase Pro are the cheaper fees. See, the fees on regular Coinbase depend on how much you're investing and a couple other factors. So for example, if you're only investing $10 into Bitcoin from your bank, you're paying almost $1 in fees, which is a 10% fee, which is really high. If you were to invest $1,000 worth, now you're paying $14, which is only a 1.4% fee. So basically Coinbase is saying the more you invest, the lower we'll charge you in fees. What's nice about Coinbase Pro is that if you're going to buy and sell on there, the fees are reasonable and pretty low. The fee for anything under $10,000 is only 0.5% of the transaction. So if we were to take the $1,000 transaction that we were doing, you'd only be paying $5 on Coinbase Pro versus $14 on regular Coinbase in terms of paying for the fees. You can see how this can add up very quickly. Now if you were to buy crypto just 11 times, you'd be paying almost $100 in fees just alone. And the best part is you don't even need to create another account for Coinbase Pro. Everything is already linked to your regular Coinbase account. And you can also transfer your funds from regular Coinbase to Coinbase Pro and use that to trade if you want, or you can just keep it in your Coinbase Pro account. Now, yes, it's not as simple and sleek as regular Coinbase, but if you're looking to save money on fees, go with the Pro because it would just make more sense. But if you want the simplicity and the ease that comes with regular Coinbase, then you can just use that one. Either way, whichever one you guys want to sign up for, I'll leave a link to both of them down in the description box below. Now, that's really all I'm going to go into with Coinbase Pro, just because there's some great videos on YouTube that talk about it more in depth and how you can fund it, which is pretty simple to do. But I just wanted to let you guys know that this exists and it's an option option if you're big on technical analysis or you just want to save a lot of money on fees. Alright, the next way you can make money with Coinbase is through learning, which is a pretty weird concept since the traditional education system is the complete opposite. Now, it's not life-changing money, but Coinbase will pay you in crypto for learning about specific cryptos through quizzes. Now, each quiz takes a few minutes and you can earn crypto from selecting the correct answers. It's actually very cool how they do it. They have super engaging videos about the specific coin, what it does, how it can help, and what makes it unique. It's honestly very cool to learn, and like I said, they make it very simple for people to understand. So not only do you get to learn more about the crypto, but you can also get paid for it as well. Not bad if you ask me. The only thing is you have to answer each question correctly in order to get paid, but you can guess as many times as you want until you get the correct answer. So everyone should be doing these quizzes ASAP to get that free crypto. And as of right now, I think you can make about $20 from this program, which will probably only take you about 5 minutes of your time. So make sure you go get that bag. Alright, the third way you can make money on Coinbase on top of all this free money you're getting from quizzes through learning is you can earn passive income on a few cryptos through what is called staking. Now, the way staking works on Coinbase is a little different, so let me break it down for you. Now, Coinbase has this chart that tells you each coin that you can make passive income off of along with the type of reward it is. And as you can see, you can only stake ETH 2.0, Tezos, and Cosmos. So how are you making money from the other three? Well, with DAI and USDC, you're earning interest. And how this works is if you buy either of the stable coins, you'll automatically start earning interest from them. From DAI, it's on a daily basis, and monthly for USDC. Now, for these, I know you can get better APYs on something like Celsius or BlockFi, so do keep that in mind. But I think the value Coinbase provides and why people still use them is convenience. Coinbase is offering you this ease of access in an all-in-one suite because maybe you don't want to take your funds to another platform that you don't trust and where it is a FDIC insured like Coinbase. Or maybe you're just a beginner and don't know how to do that. This is the value to you. At least you're going to make some passive income from something that you may not have been previously. Now, with Algorand, it's kind of interesting. The reward type is inflation. So what does that mean? Well, since Algorand runs on a pure proof of stake model, this means that no one knows who is validating the transactions. And since it's so decentralized and secretive, when blocks are added to the blockchain, the community as a whole gets rewarded. It's honestly a pretty cool concept if you ask me. I checked out their software and it's really interesting, so if you guys want to check out Algorand, it's a really cool coin you guys should look into. Okay, back to earning rewards on Coinbase. What's really nice about all these coins is that when you buy any of them, you're automatically enrolled into these rewards, so it doesn't require any special action from you. Also, a quick note, the chart that I showed earlier also has the regions that these investments are available in, so take a look at that and make sure your country is eligible because some countries have strict regulations on crypto and might make you ineligible for the rewards. Like, I know the US doesn't let a lot of exchanges like Binance and Coinbase do certain features, so just make sure you keep an eye out for that. Speaking of things the US doesn't allow, the fourth way you can make money on Coinbase is through lending. Now, there's actually a crypto lend feature that allows users to make passive income from your crypto by lending it out and then receiving interest payments on it. But the thing is, it's not allowed for US residents, which is funny because it actually existed back in June for about 3 months until the US government said that they were going to sue Coinbase if they didn't take it down. So it's no longer available for US people. But you might be able to get around it with a VPN, but just be careful because you run the risk of your country automatically changing to something else and you not being able to access your USD wallet because the country on file isn't the US. Now, this doesn't mean that you're going to lose your funds, it just means you're going to have to call Coinbase support for help, and from what I've read online, it can take a really long time. But if you're not in the US, which I suspect isn't that many of you guys, make sure you guys use this feature as it's an easy way to make some great passive income. Now, the fifth way isn't really a way to make money, but Coinbase as a whole probably has the most user-friendly interface on the market right now. I mean, buying coins is super easy. They're adding new ones every day, and if you didn't know, most cryptos on Coinbase will have a white paper attached to it, where it essentially lays out the crypto's blueprint. So this is going to be the problem the team is trying to solve and the software they're building to try and solve it. Reading this will help you grasp a better understanding of what the team is doing behind the scenes and what you're betting on to create a lot of value in the future. On top of this, something else that Coinbase does, which is really cool, is on the right hand side, it'll show you coins that are highly correlated to it, which means they move together. So when one goes up, the other one goes up as well. Now, you might be asking yourself, why is this helpful to me? Well, let's say you own a ton of Solana and you want your portfolio to be more diversified. Well, you wouldn't want to own the coins on that list, would you? You would want something that's uncorrelated. So when Solana has a pretty bad day, the other coins aren't down as much and you're still able to make money. And finally, the sixth way you can make money on Coinbase is their referral program. Now, Coinbase has a program to all account holders where if you get someone to sign up using your your own link and they buy $100 worth of crypto, you'll get $10 back in rewards, and so will the person buying the Bitcoin. Now, this can be very profitable, or it can just help you make some extra money here and there. You can let your friends, family, coworkers know that they can get $10 back for buying $100 worth of Bitcoin. You can post this on your social media pages, groups that you're in, and just have people sign up. Like I said, it's an extra way to make money just by sharing out the platform. Also, I think this is worth noting, but Coinbase just released this new update called the For You tab. Now, this tab won't necessarily make you money, but it could if you use it the right way. This tab is where you'll find the news, so what's happening in the crypto NFT space around the world. You'll see a ton of different articles. Like the other day, I just saw something about how India is taxing crypto heavily, or Russia owning $214 billion worth of crypto, and a ton of other news that could be really helpful in timing your plays. So, for example, if you know that there's going to be a Congress hearing on February 16th about stablecoins, you might want to unstake your stablecoins and sell them if you think the conference is going to go poorly. The news feed is filtered really nice, and Coinbase does a great job of showing you what's going on in the markets, and you having this information could be very valuable. So I highly recommend you guys check out this For You tab. Alright guys, so those are all the ways that you guys can make money on Coinbase aside from obviously buying and selling. If I've missed any other ones, be sure to let me know down in the comment section below. I'd love to know other ways we all can make money on Coinbase. And like I said, if you guys want to earn crypto just for signing up, which I don't know who wouldn't, Coinbase gave me a special link where all you have to do is sign up and you guys will earn crypto. You guys can check it out by clicking the link down in the description box below. But I really do hope this video helped you guys out, and as always, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace.